Hey, this is Scott Friedson, Insurance Claim Recovery Support Public Adjusters. I'm here with my buddy Nate from Glass Guru, and today we're going to crack the code on how to determine if a window seal is broken or not. Take it away, Nate.
Alrighty. So what all we need right here is ice cubes and a paper towel. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put this ice cube on the inside of a window for maybe 20 to 30 seconds, going in small circular motions, just like this right here. Doesn't take long. You just want to make sure that you get a nice, you want some cold on the inside of the glass. So if the window is failed, there will be a ring of moisture that shows up as soon as I take this ice cube off. If I can wipe that moisture off, then the window is not failed. If there is moisture that I cannot wipe off, that means it is in between the panes of glass, and this window is failed. So this is my demonstration.
I've been doing this for a long... Oh, look at that.
So now if there is any moisture left here, then this window is failed. So you see, even after I wipe off, there's still a small ring right here. That window is gone. And that will stay there. See how that is still there? That window is, in fact, failed.
It's that simple. Thanks a lot, Nate.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
That was great.